Have you ever wondered what an ESG investment strategy is, or even what ESG stands for? Basically, an ESG investment strategy focuses in on companies that are mindful of their impact or influence on the environment, society, and that are concerned with ethical management processes. You could say that people with ESG investment strategies aim to be environmentally and socially conscious through their investment choices. They care about how the companies they invest in treat the law and its employees. If this sounds like you, then let's talk about how you can select ESG-friendly stocks. There are two approaches to selecting ESG-friendly stocks: positive screening and negative screening. Now, both these strategies use a filter to either help you choose ESG-friendly stocks or avoid those that may be seen as ESG unfriendly. The platform managing your funds might do this for you based on selected ESG criteria. Whether your broker has an ESG screener or not, it's useful to understand just how it's done. So let's explore these two screening approaches in a bit more detail. Now, positive screening usually begins with you deciding on an ESG factor you feel strongly about. Let's say you wanted to support companies that try to minimize their contribution to global warming. Making use of the ESG screening criteria on the platform or reading through the company's financial results, you would look for companies that have a clear mandate to reduce their carbon footprint. To put it simply, you'd be looking for companies that align with your values. On the other hand, negative screening allows you to exclude companies that don't align with your values. If you felt strongly about the negative impact fossil fuels have on the environment, oil companies would be excluded from the list of companies you might invest in. This would narrow down your investment options quite significantly, which might make choosing investments for your portfolio easier. It's great to have the option to filter and choose your potential investments according to your values, but try to keep a holistic mindset. And don't forget the companies that are working towards aligning with your values, if they aren't just yet. Remember, ESG compliance is one of several filters to apply to your investments. An ESG compliant company won't automatically be a good investment. However, selecting from a list of companies that do align with your values is a great way to ensure you feel good about where your profits come from.